The 82cc steel carbon concept chainsaw was never a production model and can't be bought. It was built to see what was possible. Weighing just 13 pounds, yet producing 5.4 kilowatts of power, it achieved an unmatched 2.4 pounds per kilowatt thanks to its carbon fiber, titanium, and magnesium alloy. It also introduced electronic fuel injection to Stihl's lineup, a breakthrough later used in the MS500i. Though it will never hit the shelves, the carbon concept proved what's possible and continues to influence the future of chainsaw design.